Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the age of artificial intelligence and machine learning. Today, we're going to take a deep dive into the insider secrets of ChatGPT, the powerful language model developed by OpenAI, and how it can help you make money now and increase your income. ChatGPT is a game changer in the world of AI. Its ability to understand and generate human-like text makes it an invaluable tool for businesses and individuals alike. But do you know what sets ChatGPT apart from the rest? Its ability to perform virtual personal shopping. With ChatGPT, you can have a virtual personal shopper at your disposal. It can browse through e-commerce stores, compare prices, and even make purchase recommendations based on your preferences. This not only saves you time, but also helps you get the best deals and discounts, leading to increased savings and profits. But ChatGPT's capabilities don't stop there. It can also be used for virtual market research, helping businesses to identify trends, target the right audience, and optimize their marketing strategies. This leads to increased sales and faster returns on investment. And for individuals, ChatGPT can be used for virtual financial analysis, providing insights on investments, savings, and even retirement planning. This allows for more informed and profitable financial decisions. But perhaps the most exciting aspect of ChatGPT is its ability to perform virtual real estate analysis. It can analyze data and make predictions on property values, helping real estate investors and agents make more informed decisions and increase their profits. These are just a few examples of how ChatGPT can be used to make money now and increase your income. With its ability to automate tasks, generate unique content, and perform analysis, the possibilities are endless. Another way to use ChatGPT for making money now is by utilizing its virtual podcasting capabilities. With its ability to understand and generate human-like text, ChatGPT can assist in creating engaging and informative podcast scripts, resulting in increased listenership and monetization opportunities. Another strategy in the ChatGPT method is the use of virtual affiliate marketing. ChatGPT can assist in researching and identifying profitable affiliate marketing opportunities, as well as in creating unique and compelling content to promote affiliate products. Virtual online tutoring is another way to use ChatGPT for making money now. With its ability to understand and generate human-like text, ChatGPT can assist in creating educational content and automating administrative tasks, resulting in increased student enrollment and higher profits for online tutors. Virtual social media management is yet another strategy in the ChatGPT method. ChatGPT can assist businesses and individuals in creating engaging and shareable social media posts, as well as in analyzing data to identify trends and target the right audience. This leads to increased reach and engagement, ultimately driving more traffic to websites and increasing sales. Virtual event planning is yet another way to use ChatGPT for making money now. With its ability to generate unique content and automate tasks, ChatGPT can assist in planning and executing successful virtual events, resulting in increased attendance and monetization opportunities. Virtual affiliate marketing is another strategy in the ChatGPT method. ChatGPT can assist in researching and identifying profitable affiliate marketing opportunities, as well as in creating unique and compelling content to promote affiliate products. Virtual personal shopping is another way to use ChatGPT for making money now. With its ability to browse through e-commerce stores, compare prices, and even make purchase recommendations based on preferences, ChatGPT can help individuals save time and get the best deals, leading to increased savings and profits. Virtual market research is another strategy in the ChatGPT method. ChatGPT can assist businesses in identifying trends, targeting the right audience, and optimizing their marketing strategies, resulting in increased sales and faster returns on investment. Virtual financial analysis is another way to use ChatGPT for making money now. With its ability to perform financial analysis, ChatGPT can provide insights on investments, savings, and even retirement planning, allowing for more informed and profitable financial decisions. Virtual data entry is another strategy in the ChatGPT method. ChatGPT can assist businesses in automating data entry tasks, freeing up time and resources for more important, revenue-generating activities. So, are you ready to take your business or personal finances to the next level? Are you ready to make money now and increase your income? Join us on this journey of discovery as we unveil ChatGPT's insider secrets for success. Like, share, comment, and subscribe.